How's it going, guys? This is my 85 Trans Am. It's got a 305 LG4 carbureted, 7R4 4-speed automatic, and a 308 posi in the rear. It is not a WS6. It's got drums in the rear still. This car's unfortunately smoking. And not just smoking on startup because the valve guide seals leak, it's smoking for some other reason. It's burning oil at a rapid rate, and this is the stock LG4 with the spaghetti over it. Smog pump still hooked up. It's a pretty unmolested car. The smog pump works. I just cut the belt. It's a real shame it's only got 75,000 miles. What I'm planning on doing though is hopping up the 305, and everyone's, oh, put 3.3, put a 350. I don't want to do that. I want to keep the 305 and just make it a little faster. I have fast cars. I want this to be a cruiser. I want working air conditioning. I want power brakes. I want all that good stuff. So I'm thinking just porting the heads, porting the factory intake, doing shorty headers. I found a pretty healthy cam. Not too much. I don't want it loping. Again, and power brakes. But healthy enough to make it more like a 305 HO car. Maybe a little healthier than that. And just drive it. Remove the smog. Paint the engine. Make it look pretty. Maybe get the 305 HO dual snorkel on here. So it's got two of these. And just drive it. Like, I just want a cruiser car, so that's what I'm gonna do. Factory louvers. Has crank windows. Original paint's a little had to do some rust stopping, and it was hit in the front a very long time ago. On top of doing an engine rebuild, I'm planning on new front struts, new shocks in the rear, because it rides. It's a bump. Your skull's in your spine's in your skull. So, and then just probably doing the tie-in bar at the front, wherever the hell that is. Let's go drive it and do a 0 to 60 test. See what this thing can do. Stock. It's 4-barrel carburetor. It's not TVI. Nice. Yeah, you'll get me by 100 miles. 155 horsepower Trans Am. Nice. Probably, ooh, I can smell the smoke. Oh, hang on, we roll down the window. My crank AC. Got to roll this down before I start driving. All right, car's warmed up. Gets pretty good. It still amazes me how much this thing just chirps second gear. I'll leave timestamps if you want to just skip ahead and see the 0 to 60 test. The alignment's a bit off too, so it's going to be, steering wheel's going to be facing that way. He wants to pull right. And I'll just get that done after I put new front struts on. I think I forgot to mention. So I cut off the belt to the smog pump. That's not running anymore. The only other modification I did mostly was it's cat deleted, and that's it. It has a factory style muffler. It's not very loud. This car's pretty quiet. It's almost too quiet for me. I might make it a little louder after the rebuild. For the time being though, I'm going to drive the car as is. Just going to keep adding oil and just drive it until I'm ready. I'm going to save, got all the parts up, and when I'm ready, I'll do it all at once. The brakes are a little lacking in this car too, so it's going to get new front rotors. Factory size, but new front rotors, new pads will help it stop. And a full brake bleed. It's about a quarter throttle acceleration. It's not horrible. People talk down on these, and I get it. This thing's slow. It's so slow. I'll get beat by anything else on the road. Hell, even just a weird thing when I drive this car. Old ladies like to street race me in their minivans. And the sad thing is, their minivans is just as fast as this. Because I can literally floor this, and I won't be going any faster than they are. And that's depressing. Come on, it's a 5-liter V8. It's a real shame about this era how much they smogged them down and just made them horrible. Horrible performance car from an engine standpoint. There's a 3/4 throttle acceleration. It's not flat out. Alright, here we go. That's all she's got. Woo! Even a cloud of smoke behind me, too. It's a real shame a car with such low miles is smoking. I believe I know the valve guide seals leak. It's not crash contaminating with coolant, so it shouldn't be a head gasket. I believe the rings are bad. I know for a fact this car missed some oil changes. I'm only the second owner, but previous owners didn't take care of this car very well, put it lightly. You can tell that just from what the body looks like. It's outside a lot too, and it's a real shame. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe.